Fresh crumb-breaded shrimp. We start with fresh, large, sustainably sourced butterfly shrimp hand-coated in light panko breadcrumbs to bring your guests impressively crisp shrimp. Our shrimp is sustainably sourced and holds Best Aquaculture Practices BAP certification. Once breaded and cooked, you will find they have a distinctive crunch. This is versatile, ready to be seasoned and dressed in a variety of ways, and is great served as an appetizer or an entree. Fresh crumb-breaded shrimp are always crunchy on the outside with a light natural flavor inside the breading. The shrimp has a mildly sweet, buttery, melt-in-your-mouth texture, making these a wonderfully satisfying bite you will want to share. Suggest fresh crumb-breaded shrimp as an appetizer or as a meal. Their outstanding taste is sure to satisfy your guests. Discerning guests who are looking for sustainably sourced shrimp will be thrilled with your recommendation. Recommend fresh crumb-breaded shrimp to your guests. They are nicely shared, and you can count on them to disappear quickly. Your guests will be very satisfied, and you will receive a bigger tip.